Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So in this video I gonna share about how to use touch animation FactoryTalk View Studio. If you new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel for never miss new update. So let's see touch animation. I already created video how to do display setting. So it is a previous display that already created. So it is a animation display number 1. So it is a previous. So touch animation you can use on text, image, not image, you can use on text, arc, ellipse, and also freehand, line, polygon, polyline, rectangle, rounded rectangle, and also ways. And also you can use not touch animation but all command wizard of the touch animation in button. So first I will be discuss how to use touch animation on rectangle. After that I will be discuss how to use command wizard like touch animation on button. So let's see on rectangle. So it is a animation display 2. So take a rectangle. So it is a polygon, you can see here polygon property. You can change line style, any line style. Here you can see solid dot dash dot dash dot dash dot. So what do you mean by all line style? You can test on your you can test, or you can R&D, you can test. So right now I am selecting here solid, and line style will be transparent gradient. So what do you mean by solid mean by line back style will be solid, and for transparent back style will be transparent. So when you select transparent, so back style will be not visible but line style will be visible. So for if example four color mean line color is if example 4 color means line color of the rectangle is black. So what will be happening, you can see, and rectangle only line is visible and rectangle back color is not visible. Next, if you select gradient, so it is a function of the back style. If you select gradient, so you can see here back color, you can choose back color from here, start color and end color. Example, start color is green, sorry, example start color is blue and end color is green. You can choose any color that you which color you want. So select here horizontal, and you can choose in horizontal. You can see first color means start color is green, and end color is start color is blue and end color is green, and start color is end color is green, and start color is end color is blue, and start color is green, and start and end color is green, and center color is blue, and start end color is blue, and center color is green. So you can select any color from here. Example, okay, select okay. So it is our rectangle. You can increase or decrease size of the rectangle. Right click, here you can see animation. I already covered in my previous video how to use visibility, color and fill color, height, width, and right now I am going to see how to use touch animation. So click on touch. Here you can see press action, repeat action and release action. So what is a press action? Press action means when you will be pressed first time from the mouse, and release action means when you will be release mouse after press. So you can apply press action on or release action command. You can apply command on any action. either press action or release action. So click on press action. You can see here command wizard. It is a command wizard. From here you can use any command on touch animation. So right now I am going to see only one command wizard, because total number of the command wizard is 72. So I will cover other command wizard in my coming videos. Right now I am going to see how to use display navigation command. Right now I am gonna to share only how to use display navigation history. Here you can see it is a command wizard, and here you can see choose a command and click next. fill in Fill in its parameter. So you can see here all command wizard, system command wizard, graphic. You can observe the name of the command wizard. System means system command wizard. System means computer command wizard, related to computer or related to FactoryTalk View Studio. Graphic command wizard related to graphics, and data log command wizard related to data log of the FactoryTalk View Studio, and logic and control related to logic, uh, and recipe pro related to recipe, and alarm and history related to alarm and history. So I will be cover other command wizard in my coming videos. So yeah, here you can see here display navigation. I will be share display navigation. So here is a display, name of the wizard is display description. Open and run a specific graphic display file. Click on, double click, you can see here file. Click on file. You can see component browser, and animation 1, animation 2, animation 3, animation 4, animation 5. Means here you can see here display that you already created in your FactoryTalk View Studio. So you can select any display. Right now I will select animation 3. Click OK. I will be cover in coming videos what is the other option, and click on finish and apply and close. And for a display, when you will be click on rectangle, then display will be navigate, means another display will be open. Which display? So from animation 3, if you animation 2, if you want to open your previous animation, so you want to copy, and it will be here. You can paste in animation 3, you can paste here, paste. So what will be changed? Right click, and animation, what will be changed? Right click, and you can see here navigation, display navigation. Also you can choose from most recent use. In most recent use, here you can see display, open and run a specified graphic display file. Choose file, animation 2, OK, finish, apply, close, save. Now you can apply this animation, this touch animation, on text, also arc, also ellipse, freestyle, freehand, line, polygon, polyline. Or another method, on button. You can use button. Let's see how to use command wizard on display. You can use just like a all command wizard, just like you can use all command wizard also on button. So take button, and it is a style of the button. You can choose border, 3D, recessed, raised, beveled, and cap. Other it is a other capture cursor, highlight when focus, highlight when object has focus. I already covered in this in my previous video. What do you mean by? So in this video, okay. So select recessed. You can choose any button. Click on OK. click on OK, right click, and in the action you can see here already by default you can see in action run command, and in run command you can see here same function on rectangle touch animation, press action, repeat action and release action. So double click on press action, command wizard has been opened, and click on display, open and run a specific graphic display file. Choose from here animation 3 to 2, OK, apply, OK, and you can write name of the display, example animation display -1, and you can change from here back style and pattern style. See here style, back style also just like a rectangle you can choose solid, transparent and gradient, and pattern style you can choose any pattern, dot, checks, small box, medium box, large box, vertical box, many pattern you can see here. And font you can choose any font, example Calibri, Cambria, Rockwell, Siemens, many font you can see, so you can use any font that you want, and size according to you, and bold you can up italic, select italic and underline. And also here is another option, you can use image and image reference, no image, here you can use image. So you can see here image setting, no image means in the on this button not any image, image means use image reference, you can use image reference, and import you can import image. So click on OK, and you can increase size of the button. Same method will be applied for animation 2. When you will be click animation display, here display name will be changed, display name will be animation 2, and for animation 2 animation display 2 to 1 to animation display 3, click OK, save. So let's see how it's working. So click on launch SE client, click on run an existing FactoryTalk view SE client configuration file, because I already created on video how to create client. Click on run. So right now this animation 2 display is open. When you will be click on rectangle, you can see on rectangle touch, so you can see animation 3 display is open. Not animation 3, you can open any display, example in your project 50 display you can use in on 50 you can use 50 display animation on any button or any rectangle. So again click on animation 3, see how to use button, how to use run command wizard on button. Click on animation display 3. क्या हो गया यार? Click on display animation display 3. You can see animation display 3 is open. Again animation display 2, animation display 3, rectangle, rectangle animation 3, animation 2, animation 3, animation 2. So you can use touch animation anywhere. I will be all why I am explaining all touch all animation, because how to create faceplate for switch, how to create faceplate for pump, how to create faceplate for valve, for motor, for VFD motor, for control valve. So all animation will be used in all faceplate. And also because you don't know basics, so how to do how to create SCADA, and how to do program, and how to make add-on instruction, and how to link add-on instruction to Studio 5000 logic to FactoryTalk View Studio, and FactoryTalk View Studio to Studio 5000 logic. Thank you for watching this video. If you learn from my video, so hit the like button. So if you learn from my video, so please share your friends. Thank you. Keep learning, keep going, never miss new update.